What's up guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be making the Rx7 rollable and steerable, and it's going to have brakes because it is moving to its new garage. So today I am paired with my good friend Sam, and he does have his own YouTube channel, Project 380. He is a Mazda guru. He has a Mark 1 MX-5, a turboed Mark 2 MX-5 that he's doing a full restoration on. He does a ton of fab work to it. He does a ton of how-tos. So his channel is worth a watch. I will leave his channel in the description below, so please go check it out. Comment on one of his videos saying Hot Boy Charlie sent you, and it will make his day, I can assure you. So yeah, I've got a ton of stuff to do to the car, so I'm going to crack on. I hope you enjoy the video. Peace. Yeah, I didn't bring any brake pipe spanners because well, originally didn't know I was doing this.
Man, you should have said I would have bought one.
Right, so that's off. Spaghetti junction. If that's what you want to call it.
I don't know what something the gypsy's going to do. Look at this.
Oh my god, it does as well.
Yeah, like, oh, it stinks of gearbox oil.
Right, well, hopefully that's just going to seal. And hopefully they've done an okay job of actually doing these fucking lines.
Well, there's only one way to find out. Just try and fill it with fluid.
Yeah, let's fucking send it. Right, so I'm leaving this one here, yeah?
Yep, that is now not connected to anything.
Oh
shit. My God.
Well, the base's going to get painted again. At some point.
It's everywhere, Charlie.
Why have you done this?
It's smooth.
Ta-da! 7, but it's got top spec axle stands. Ta-da!
I mean, it's not on the other axle stand.
Is it not?
No.
Fuck's sake. I don't want to put these wheels on.
That's how I leave my women.
Oh, yeah, the middle one's gone down. Yeah, middle one's gone down loads.
Down for a second.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes. Ugh, a little gross in there.
I'm down at the minute.
Right. Do you want to go up then?
Up.
And down?
Up. Obviously, you're not going to fully bleed that side until there's air out of the other one.
No.
Oh, I'm cramped.
I'm not surprised laying like that. Right, I might as well leave that side for now then, because it was pretty good with the occasional bubble.
You need to get the other side, you need to get most of the air out the other side first.
Yeah.
Then you'll have to come back and bleed.
Yeah. Well, it doesn't need to be perfect straight out of the get-go, it just needs to work, really. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
And down.
Down.
And up. I have got a few bubbles coming through, but it ain't too bad. Yeah. I did explain in my video, I was like, oh, I've only got 2 wheel nuts. I was like, but it is alright.
Since you are being on camera,
Yeah. What's this?
it's a bit creased because I put it in my bag.
Oh, fuck yeah. Man, that's sick. That's well cool. Did you make it?
Yeah.
Should I put it on?
Yeah, you've got to. Give us a 12. Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Might as well take
In all fairness, yeah, you can get both axle stands out.
I have all these first videos are going to be so ghetto. What have you got any? I will put that here, but I don't like
Man, you trust Mazda sills?
Not really.
Oh, I
I'm
wouldn't.
going to leave the jack underneath.
Yeah.
Well, that's on a total of nothing. Hang on. Any better? Yeah, I did have shitloads there coming through. Oh god, go and get brakes!
Crazy.
Shitty little stand. Probably won't do shit all if it collapses. Not on a Mazda still anyway.
Nah, man, Mazda sills are built different.
Different is one word. One word to say it.
To the floor.
And up.
Up.
And down.
I don't think you should throw away that turbo charger just yet.
No? 'cause my rear shocks are a bit short.
I can hear him squelching.
They are wet, but I didn't know if that was for another reason. But they are wet. I'll have to get some DCs, I think.
Mate, you've got to.
Sponsor this Rx7.
Send them my way as well.
Should we leave the clutch?
Give it a go, but the rest of that bottle's going. I reckon it'll come out right there.
Nah.
This is coming off.
Three random bolts to be found.
Oh,
Well, this one definitely ain't from the car.
Right, well that's a 10 mil. What size do you need? 13?
12 and a 13. Because that one's not Japanese, is it?
Well, that's 12. That one's not Japanese. Them two are they?
I know that's not Japanese.
Yeah, 13.
I know. Get it.
That's well annoying, isn't it?
You want me to just hug a dog of this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. That'd be alright. Mate, as long as it works, it works.
Oh yeah, I feel good. Woo!
I'm gonna do loads of skids with no engine. I hate how crusty all these bolts are.
Yeah. I would say that one maybe for the steering.
Yes.
You ought to find another one before you buzz that in.
Yeah.
Maybe that one.
Yeah, that'll do.
I know my Japanese stuff.
Oh, yeah. All of these are off all Hondas. Now I'm a Mazda boy.
I just done this one up by hand.
Yeah, cool.
Oh dear.
Obviously me and Sam bled the brakes and got the handbrake working. Massive shout out to Project 380, that is Sam's YouTube channel. I'll just give you a sort of a brief look in of what I've been up to. Right, so this is my Hitman steering wheel. It's sort of been living in the garage, so it is a little bit dusty and definitely needs a bit of a polish. But this will be the steering wheel that I'm running in here. And obviously, as you probably already saw, I've been putting the dash bar back in with Sam and the handbrake working, and found out it's got a little drift button, can't complain. And I got the carpet where it should be, so it's definitely looking a lot more like a car, but obviously we've got a long way to go. Here we are, the car is getting moved today to the new garage, and I can't wait to really get started on it. Yeah, because when the car is at the new garage, I can really make a start actually pulling parts off it and documenting the whole thing in the new garage. So